Today we are going to make potato pinwheel, and for that we have taken ginger and green chili paste, red chili powder 1 spoon, 1 spoon garam masala, 1 spoon coriander masala, 1 spoon chaat masala and 1 spoon salt. This is green peas. I have grinded this. Small half cup green peas. This is potato. This is all for filling. And for the batter we'll use 1 cup wheat flour and we'll put 1/4 cup of Rava or Sooji. Little salt, little turmeric powder, 2 spoon oil, and we'll make a batter with this, like we make batter for chapathi. Take oil in hand, put it in the batter, mix it well and cover with something. Potato pinwheel filling will smash the potatoes which we have taken. This will add green peas and all the masalas which we have taken. If you're cooking for kids, don't put the green chili and ginger paste. Rest all masalas you can use. Put all the masalas together. Now this paste is ready to be filled in the potato pinwheel. Now in this one, we have to put a thin layer of the batter which we made with potato and green peas. These are the cuts. You can press it little bit so that potato doesn't come out. In a flat tawa, you can put little oil in the pinwheels which we put in. Just make sure that the oil goes in all the pinwheels. Be like this. You can eat with sauce or any chutney.